His presidency was defined by a commitment to uplifting lives. He signed the Affordable Care Act, providing health insurance to over 20 million previously uninsured people. He championed civil rights, supporting the repeal of Don't Ask, Don't Tell, and witnessing the legalization of marriage equality nationwide. On the global stage, he brokered the Paris Climate Agreement and was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his efforts to strengthen international diplomacy. The final chapter, Inspiring the Future, though his presidency ended in 2017, his good works did not. Barack Obama's post-presidency life focuses on the health of democracy. Through the Obama Foundation, he and Michelle dedicate their lives to mentoring the next generation of leaders, from the My Brother's Keeper Alliance to the Girls' Opportunity Alliance. His work continues to focus on equality and education. The statue in Chicago stands near the future Obama Presidential Center, a place designed as a laboratory for the future. As the bronze figure gazes out over the neighborhood that raised him, it serves as a permanent reminder that leadership is not defined by power, but by service. His story remains a testament to the fact that hope, when paired with action, is the most powerful force in the world. Barack Hussein Obama II was born on August 4, 1961, in Honolulu, Hawaii. His father was a Kenyan economist and his mother a white American anthropologist from Kansas. This unique heritage meant that from his earliest days, Barack lived between worlds. After his parents divorced, he spent a significant portion of his childhood in Jakarta, Indonesia, where he attended local schools and developed a global perspective. Returning to Hawaii at age 10 to live with his maternal grandparents, he navigated a complex search for identity as a young man of mixed race in America. This quest for belonging led him to the mainland to attend Occidental College and Columbia University. However, it was at Harvard Law School where he first made history, becoming the first African-American president of the prestigious Harvard Law Review. Finding a home on the South Side, while his Ivy League education opened doors to corporate wealth, Obama chose a path of service. In 1985, he moved to Chicago to work as a community organizer. In the shadows of closed steel mills, he worked with local churches to set up job training programs and protect the rights of tenants in public housing. Chicago was where Barack Obama truly found his purpose. It was here that he met Michelle Robinson, a brilliant attorney who became his lifelong partner. The South Side became his home, and its residents became his inspiration. He realized that while local organizing could fix a roof, systemic change required a seat at the table where laws were made. This realization launched his political career, leading him from the Illinois State Senate to a seat in the U.S. Senate in 2004, a presidency of progress in 2008, Barack Obama was elected the 44th President of the United States. He took office during the Great Recession, the worst economic collapse since the 1930s. His first acts were to rescue the American economy, stabilize the banking system, and save the U.S. auto industry.